Guys, finally see some fish down in this hole down here. There's some fish over here. Tiny fish in here. I don't even know if I got a hook small enough for these guys. Alright, what's going on, guys? We are here camping Jellystone Park in Mexico. We found ourselves here at the Little Salmon River. We have found just right behind me is this nice little pool I found here. It might be 2 or 3 feet deep, maybe. And we haven't caught anything yet. We had a little that little underspin going, but now we switched to fly lure, a little woolly bugger. I don't know how it's going to work on the spinning reel, but little woolly bugger. These fish I've seen some little fish over here. I don't know what they are. They're just about as big as my bait, so we downsize a little bit. Let's see if I can catch something right here. It's about knee deep here, guys. Alright guys, so I'm seeing some big fish and I'm seeing some little fish. These little ones are eating shit right off the top. I know what these bigger ones, they actually look like they're close to a foot long. I don't think I'd be able to catch one of these little ones. I wish I had some smaller hooks. It looks like these are little suckers. We do have one here. Huh. See what it is, or is it? What is this thing? Huh? Yes, it does look like a little. Actually, looks kind of like a fall fish. Not really sure. Kind of cool though, guys. Haven't caught one of these in a while. Comment below, guys, if you know what kind of fish that is. Here, let's get some pliers, guys. All right, guys, let's find this little sucker here. We have screwdriver pliers. So we're still recording. I'd say that was mission accomplished. We did find some fish, little sucker fish or fall fish. I'm not really sure. Well, see you later. So I caught some kind of fish. I don't know if it's I don't know what that was. If it was a fall, it looked kind of like a fall fish to me. I'm gonna try to catch some more on our little woolly bugger here. Yeah, so I've caught fish with flies on a spinning reel. I probably should have brought the fly rod. We'll do that next time we're in a place like this. Let's maybe move a little down here. It's a pretty deep pool over here, guys. deep in the hoopla here. Really deep. Now this is a nice deep pool. Oh boy. Oh boy. But everything I own is probably ruined right now. I just keep sinking in more and more. There goes my shoe. There it go. Where is it? Aha. A little mucky over here. Got him. It's a little teeny bass. What is this thing? Oh, it's another sucker fish. I think that's what these are. Oh, what is this guy? Oh. Hopefully we got that on camera. Huh. You okay? What's up? Meh. 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 Looks yummy.
Grab him, squeeze him. You might drop him. His mouth is a little bloody. Sorry, dude. Oh, there.
Dan, look. They're squeaking. Little sucker fish. Here. Good job. You love fishies. Do you want to throw him back?
Yeah.
Throw him. Toss him back.
Bye.
I'm gonna let him, huh? Creek chub. Creek chub. You want to throw him back? Creek chub. Creek chub. Or sucker fish. Sucker fish. Alright guys, I really hope you liked our video today. We're taking off. We had a lot of fun here at Jellystone. We caught a bunch of suckers. I just spent the last half an hour. We were here trying to catch a couple smallmouth. I didn't even get it on camera. They didn't want to eat the baits that we were throwing at them. I don't think they would have eaten anything. If you guys want, you can subscribe to my channel. If you guys like the fishing content, you can like the video if you guys like this video, obviously. And comment below. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, camera. Bye. You say bye-bye?